जय हिंद। Now, motivating song, that is Vijayi Vishwa Taranga Pyara, Janda Uncha Rahe Hamara, evolving the flag song. Among the revolutionaries, spurring them on to rebel against the British rule on those days. Now also evoking Free India, the song was sung for the first time on the occasion of Jallianwala Bagh Divas on April 13, 1974, and now also. Now on this auspicious occasion, I am requesting chief guest escorted by the principal sir and reception committee members to come to the photos of Mahatma Gandhi's to honor and garland the photo.
15 अगस्त के विषय में अपने विचार अभिव्यक्त करने आपके सामने खड़ा हूँ। भारत को ब्रिटिश शासन से 1947 में 15 अगस्त को आज़ादी मिली। यह वह दिन है जब हमें भारत के महान सेनाओं द्वारा कई वर्षों के बाद ब्रिटिश शासन से आज़ादी मिली। हम भगत सिंह, रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर और सुभाष चंद्र बोस के बलिदानों को कभी नहीं भूल सकते।
Social chains that had long infected our society. Right from the Rani Lakshmibai to Kittur Rani Channamma, Chandra Bose to Gandhiji, all struggled hard to gain independence. India's best achievements in last 75 years. In 1948, first Olympic gold hockey. In 1951, first general elections and first Asian Games. In 19...
ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳಲು ಬಯಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತಿಳಿದ ಹಾಗೆ ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ 15, 1947ರಂದು ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯವಾಯಿತು. ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ 15 ಭಾರತದ ಇತಿಹಾಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಸುವರ್ಣಾಕ್ಷರಗಳಿಂದ ಬರೆದಿಟ್ಟ ದಿನ. ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರ ಸಾಮ್ರಾಜ್ಯಶಾಹಿಯ ಕಪ್ಪು ಮುಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಮುಕ್ತವಾದ ದಿನ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದಲೇ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಭಾರತದ ಇತಿಹಾಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ 15 ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಮಹತ್ವದ ದಿನವಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ.
Good morning to one and all assembled here on this auspicious occasion of the 75th Independence Day of Independent India. I heartily welcome our chief guest today, Shri Siddhalingaya R. Hiremath, to the occasion. Respected senior most teacher of our school, Tashi sir, senior most primary section in charge, HM, Mrs. Mumtaz madam, my dear colleagues, dear parents and dear children. So today we have gathered here to celebrate the 75th Independence Day of our country, and the theme for this year's Independence Day is Nation First, Always First. We are not supposed to have a hi-fi celebration. The reason being, and the celebration should be kept to kilo celebrations. The reason being, we are facing a very tough time now during this COVID-19 pandemic situation. We have to be very practical, and emotions and sentiments should not take us to that level that we become impractical in our life. So we are following social distancing, we are wearing the mask, we are following all the COVID-19 protocols, but still, even if the situation externally are forcing us to behave in such ways which makes the celebration a keynote celebration, nobody can stop us from celebrating in our minds and heart the independence of our country. Our heart and mind is always at a high note on this auspicious occasion. I don't think anybody is present here who had been born in the dependent India, ruled by British. I think everybody present here may have been lucky enough to have been born on the soil of the independent India. Because I think most of the people who have gathered here have born after 1947. Don't think anybody is there anybody, madam, sir, anybody who has born before 1947 here? Nobody. So we are all lucky to be born in an independent India. So we don't know what is the real situation that the people of India had to face before independence. It was a situation of oppression and discrimination. But our forefathers, the great freedom struggle was made forth, and all of them participated, led by such Mahatmas like Mahatma Gandhiji, and also by such courageous, ardent fighters and soldiers led by Sri Subhash Chandra Bose, Sri Chandrasekhar Azad. On one side, on the other side, we had such eminent educationists, eminent people, knowledgeable people like Sri Jawaharlal Nehru, Sri Patel, Sri Vallabhbhai Patel, and also the constitutional head of our country. So all these people had helped us to gain independence from the British rule. And now we are enjoying the fruits of that success. But now we are facing another kind of a oppression, a different type of an oppression, which has been brought to us due to the health situation that we are facing now due to COVID-19 pandemic. See, our vision is framed due to our experiences throughout our life. Our beliefs are framed due to the fruits we derive during our life. It may be happiness, it may be the family, it may be the career, it may be the other kinds of fruits we derive from our life. These frame our beliefs, and due to our beliefs, we exhibit certain attitudes, and these attitudes makes us to behave in a certain way in the society. So what should be our attitude now in this trying situation? We should have a positive attitude. We should try to overcome this hardship that we are facing now due to the COVID-19 pandemic. We shall overcome all these troubles, and India will surge ahead, further ahead, and we will continue to build up the momentum we had built up during all these years after independence. Due to the momentum which we were surging ahead, we were trying to march ahead. We were going to become a superpower in this world, but due to the corona and the COVID-19 pandemic situation, all the momentum that we have gained had to be brought to a standstill. Now we have to build it up from scratch again. We have to work together. We have to build our nation together. And we have to surge ahead, bring back our country to that momentum at which we were before the onset of this pandemic in 2019. Whether it is biological weapon, whether it is a natural phenomenon, whatever it is, it's still a mystery for us. Till the mystery is solved, things have to go ahead in a practical manner. We have to fight this war in a different way, in a different footing. And our defense forces are also building up themselves to fight the war in a different footing. Our latest indulgence into the naval force, that is INS Vikrant with a remodified version, is also a big platform for us to take our defense forces ahead in fighting the war in different levels. Whenever, if at all, we have to face. God forsake, there should not be any such situation. Only if you can see what is the situation of Afghanistan now. So only if the country is having the weaponry, is developed enough, has the capability, can the country be safe. So even if whenever we have faced danger from countries like China or any other country, we have always come forward. Our defense forces, our military, our army, navy, air force, and paramilitary forces have come forward and showed their strength and courage and valor and always defended the country. So we too, as responsible citizens of our country, show our strength, valor, and courage and determination by fighting the other kind of war that we are facing now, the COVID-19 pandemic, by being safe, taking care of ourselves, taking care of others, wearing masks, maintaining social distancing, sanitization, and following all the COVID-19 protocols. So this is the main point of view that I would like to share with you during this 75th Independence Day celebration. The celebrations in our mind will be higher up than the celebrations we will be performing here. And I congratulate all the students who had performed in such a situation, come forward, voluntarily they have participated. I also salute their courage and determination that many of those students were also facing difficult situations in life, but they have shown a positive attitude, and I appreciate their courage and their valor and their determination. So thank you, dear children, all, for coming to our school in such a trying situation. Still we are not, we don't know whether we can continue the normal physical classes as usual, and we are going to face a third pandemic, it is being said, and this time the pandemic may affect even small children. So whatever is good for the country, good for the citizens, the government will take expert opinion from all the quarters and will take a proper decision, and according to the decisions and orders we receive from our higher authorities, we will be practicing our educational system online or offline, whatever we could to the best of our abilities. And already I salute all the teachers of our school also to show their full determination and dedication to teach our children in the best possible manner within the circumstances that is available to them. And so I salute all the dear teachers for their hard work and sincerity. God bless India, God bless all of us, and God bless all our dear children of Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1 Rajnagar Hubli to achieve the best in their life and the best wishes for all their endeavors. So help us God. Bharat Mata ki Jai. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
इधर इस अवसर पर मेरे को बुलाकर जीपीएफ बनाने के लिए और मेरे को इनवाइट करके मेरे को आदरणीय ये करने के लिए मेरे को मैं सब लोग को आभारी हूँ। और ये जो आपका परंपरा है केंद्रीय विद्यालय का, जो एक्स सर्विसमैन को और इधर जो देश सेवा जो भी करता है उसको इधर बुला के ये करने के उनको धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ। मुझे पहले कन्हैयालाल जी बुलाए मेरे को, ऐसा ऐसा है मैं आपकी बेट बनना चाहे, वो बनने के लिए हम वो रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं। बोलने के बाद मेरा और भी दोस्त हैं इधर एयरपोर्ट में जो काम किया था उनका, कल उसको मैं रिक्वेस्ट किया तो उसको आ नहीं सकता क्योंकि उनकी माँ की देहांत हो गई, इसलिए वो नहीं आ सका। इसलिए और एक सर्विसमैन मेरा दोस्त है तलवाई करके, वो भी अवेलेबल नहीं था, इसलिए मैं खुद को आना पड़ा। इसलिए वो बोला ये जो है, मैं सबसे पहले ये देशभक्ति का गीत गाना चाहता हूँ। उसके बाद में मैं थोड़ा कुछ बोलने के लिए भी रेडी होता हूँ। सबको आप इधर उपस्थित लोगों को बिकॉज ऑफ दिस पैंडमिक कोविड-19 आपका जो स्ट्रेंथ है इधर कम है, जो भी है कितने हैं इधर सब लोग भाग्यवान है जो इस 75th इंडिपेंडेंस डे के सेलिब्रेशन में भाग लिया है। इसके पहले मैंने एक देशभक्ति का गीत गाना चाहता हूँ, तो मेरे आवाज़ को सह लेना प्लीज। छोड़ो कल की बातें, कल की बात पुरानी, नए दौर में लिखेंगे मिलकर नई कहानी। हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी। छोड़ो कल की बातें, कल की बात पुरानी, नए दौर में लिखेंगे मिलकर नई कहानी। हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम
पार्टी सामने से तेज चल।